So I think I should take the cucumbers. So now I'm going to chop them with a children's knife. Of course, this is quite hard. You know that chopping with a children's knife is also pretty hard. Oh no, I'm cutting them too fat. Never mind. I'll cut them smaller. Next time, please ask a parent to look over you. Of course, my mom's listening from the doorway. Always. So, my sandwich cucumbers are ready. Okay, this one's too fat. Okay, now they're ready. So, I need to start working on the tomatoes. So I barely have any space left. You'll probably be thinking, why don't you just clear your board a little? So, I will. A bit. So I'll chop my tomatoes. Chopping is hard. So probably I recommend